Introducing the revolutionary Nissan used engines, proudly presented by your trusted partner for automotive solutions all needs, Auto Parts Group. These engines undergo meticulous inspection and rigorous testing to guarantee optimal performance and unwavering reliability. Whether you require a replacement engine or aspire to enhance your Nissan vehicle, our extensive selection of used engines provides a cost-effective solution without compromising on quality. At Auto Parts Group, we understand the utmost importance of providing our esteemed customers with dependable and long-lasting products. That is why our team of experts meticulously handpicks and refurbishes each and every Nissan used engine to meet the most stringent standards. We prioritize quality control to ensure that the engine you receive performs flawlessly, just like new. Our wide range of Nissan used engines includes various models, including popular ones such as the Nissan Altima, Maxima, Sentra, Rogue, and many others. By choosing our Nissan used engines, you not only save money but also contribute to a more sustainable automotive industry. The act of reusing and recycling engines helps in reducing waste and fostering an environmentally friendly atmosphere. Discover the immense power and unparalleled efficiency of our groundbreaking Nissan used engines. Take a journey to Auto Parts Group today and explore our comprehensive inventory to uncover the ideal engine for your beloved Nissan vehicle. Our dedicated team is ready to assist you and ensure a seamless and hassle-free purchasing experience.